How to easily copy a phone number to the clipboard in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Now in here, tap on recent. And if someone recently just give you a call and you want to copy that number, you can do so. So to copy the recent call, all you have to do is just simply touch and hold onto that number. Then at the bottom, tap on copy phone number, and that's it. It is now copied to the clipboard. So if we go to, say, another app, so I'm just going to go to this notes app here, and then now you can paste it in. So it's quite handy if you need to copy the phone number so that you can share it with someone else, or if you create a new contact, you can easily do so. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.